Clifford Gonzalez.
I'm Earl Ryan Tidirigua.
And we're discussing advocacy for technology. Ang vlog may karon namin sa Pinma COC. Namin sa Senior High School building.
Dire mi magbuhat sa vlog
About sa technology. We're vlogging na mga guys is namin sa Senior High. Di makita kay iPhone 16 yung kamera.
Access to quality equipment, encouraging the use of affordable but high-quality cameras, smartphone, microphones, and editing software to improve content creation. Digital literacy and skill development, promoting education on video production, editing SEO, and online branding to help bloggers create engaging and impactful content. Ethical and responsible content creation, advocating for authenticity, respect for privacy, and responsible storytelling to combat misinformation and harmful content online.
Cybersecurity and privacy awareness. Educating bloggers on protecting personal data, securing their accounts, and preventing cyber threats. Monetization and sustainable blogging. Supporting bloggers in understanding different monetization strategies, brand partnership, and ethical marketing to sustain their passion.
Inclusivity community building, encouraging diversity voices and representational in the blogging industry, fostering positive interaction and supporting small content creators.
Innovation and economic growth. Technology drives economic growth by creating jobs and improving productivity. Advocacy should support STEM education and tech skill development for future workplace. Fair regulation that balance innovation with public safety and fairness. Support for startups, research institutions, and business developing cutting-edge solutions. Accessibility and digital inclusion. Technology should be accessible to all regardless of socioeconomic status, ability, or geographic location. Advocacy efforts should focus on expanding internet access to unserved communities, promoting affordable device and software for education and communication, encouraging tech companies to design product with accessibility feature for individuals and disabilities.
Take accountability. Okay, take accountability. Ito, technology. It's a big technology, has huge influence. It is crucial we hold them to accountable for their impact on society. Let's demand responsible practices from technology companies. Muna siya. Vlog, bye-bye.
Hey vlog, muna naman na tayo sa mong vlogging. And please support